Hey, good afternoon, everybody. The time is 5:17 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I've got a daily chart right here, right now on this S&P 500, and we bought the S&P 500 put options today, and we bought a lot of them, and they were cheap. And we would have gave you that order to get in and make a whole lot of money with us, because that's what we like doing. All right, so when we hit 2,800 or slightly right there, here's the thing: is that it was here once, it came back and it tested it again, and then over here where you watch me draw on the X, it tested it again, and here's today's wall of resistance. In the very short term, we're going to make a considerable big profit by having the put options on the S&P 500 index, and we will. And so what I'm telling people is that we're going to be going down, and we are. We're in earnings season. It too also starts. Can the market get past itself? Well, even if it did, so far it's failed every time. So, these are the realities, and there's that trend line right up here. So basically, when we take a look at the structure of the S&P 500 and how to make a ton of money trading options, no experience, you don't have to have it. All right, so here's the lows right here that were higher, and basically I can even draw another trend line that would actually go right there. And this would be an apex. It's either going to come down or it's going to go up. And then it will challenge this highs over here. Now, ask yourself one thing, because I'm going to show you something. Now, we put the trade on today. Here we have a weekly chart on the S&P 500. Now, here's that double top that we called for. Okay, the white line is what we call a 50-week simple moving average, and that's what it is. And every time we hit it, we had bounces and whatnot. The blue line is a 20-week, a 10-week, and 20-week moving averages, double top. We have not broke through it yet. I showed the daily, and it hasn't broke that yet. The 2,800 put options, which is an SPX August 16th 2,800 put option for a fast trade. We didn't say we're going to try to own this our whole life. No, we're market makers. You don't have to have any experience. All you have to do with the live market hours is get into the trading room. And I'm just going to blow that up a little bit more. And last time we came and every time we visited it, you could see how we went down, but then how the support levels kept that bull rally going. And the blue line is a 10-week that's crossed over the 20-week, which is better than it had been at other price ranges and whatnot. And that the market is going to go down tomorrow. And you're going to have to ask yourself, yes, we're going to be in the earnings season, but you have to ask yourself the following thing. Do I want to make enough money? Oh, okay. Am I willing to get in there and see these trades because that's who I would like to be? And then we go from there, and life is good. So every time we got to the resistance, we broke down right here where on that high. I mean, as it was breaking out, and that was January. Big reversal one, reversal two, consolidation. Blue line a 10-week moving average, red line a 20-week. You just have to know what is going to drive that momentum, rather on the upside or the downside. Why is it going to break through it? This is a fast trade on the S&P 500 on the $2,800 strike price, and we're showing you. So the volatility is very low on the fear indicator, and it is. This is what a trade sets up like at resistance levels. Then we give you those option prices, and you submit the order. And you do. When we say submit the order at this price, oh, okay, that's great. But you see, we could break through here I'm saying that this market is going to get rattled with um, a big reversal. So traders, investors, be caution. We're telling you where the low volatility has been, but it can return on that opening bell in the morning, and I kid you not. So enjoy yourself. Here's the daily chart. Failed once, twice, three times. We're back here at four times. I'm telling investor and trader, be aware because we're going to be going down and we're going to see if that creates what we call a buying opportunity. And here are the reversals, and that is a daily chart. I'll be right back. S&P 500 index, put options, strike price 2,800. Oh yes, 99% of the people that trade options have never seen a put chart or a call chart. This particular $2,800 option that we're buying what? You know what we're doing. We're buying wholesale. Oh, wow, that's really neat. Yeah, so the contract got down to $17. The volume today was 2,840 put options traded on the S&P 500. The high was 2220, the low was 1700, and that is the put option that goes with the weekly chart. We're going to go back here now, and we're going to put that in there. It's just very simple to do because you will do what I'm doing in the video. Pull it up. I give you the price. We're buying extremely cheap down here. Okay, that means that the risk was at $100 a contract, and now I'm down there at one of the lowest places to steal the bid, steal the price that I'm going to give to you. So this is a $2,800 strike S&P 500 index, and we could see where we had that turn in that $2,800 put. It was at $100, and I'm buying down here. And if you want to feel that feeling, then you get in the free 5-day trial. You know that we got the 2,800 put options. We're going to be going down, period. No one's going to stop that. And then we're going to see how it sets up and see if we can't break through those older resistance dollar price wise and the options. Learn trading options by who? By us. That's who. We're here and we take great pride about being wholesale on the entry.